Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Unique Excel, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make a top or dress with no side seam at all. You can make your kimono using this style, and you can make your free top style using this pattern I drafted. This is what the pattern looks like when I was done drafting it. And let's get straight into the tutorial, guys. So I'm going to be using my brown paper, my marker, my scissors, my tape rule, my pattern master, and my pin. So I just laid my fabric on fold. I folded it in two places, so I'm going to fold it again. So I just laid it 4 times, like in 4 places. Okay, so the part facing me, it will be on fold. Both sides will be on fold, and that's where my armhole cuff will be. So now I'm just going to take my measurements 8 inches downward for my armhole cuff, and I'm using length 20 inches because this is just like a crop top. And if you're going to make a dress too, you're just going to take your dress length measurements like that. So the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to be taking my shoulder. So I'm just going to label this. That's my back, that's my chest, and this is my blouse length. So the next thing I want to do now is my back is 15 inches divided by 2 is 7.5 inches. I just went on to mark 7.5 inches on my back and on my chest line, and I'm going to rule this line together on a straight line, and I'm going to come down by 1 inches to slant my shoulder. And for my neck, I'll be going 3 inches by 3 inches. Using my pattern paper, I'm going to draw my neckline out and connect it to my shoulder slant. Okay, so from the shoulder slant, I'm going to measure it to what I have on the bust length divided by 2. I have 7 there, divided by 2 is 3.5, and I'm going to go in by ½ inch. So I'm just going to connect those together. I made a mistake during this cutting tutorial, because you just have to cut that part for the front alone. The back will still be the normal shoulder line that you traced out. So please take note of that. And my bust measurement is 34, divided by 4 is 8.5. I just added 1 inch allowance, and that's what I actually laid it with in the first place. So 9.5 inches. Make sure you do not open that part, do not open it up. The only thing you're cutting out is your armhole cuff on that part. So I just went up by ½ inches, and just to make a cuff so my top does not have a sharp end. So I'm just going to be cutting this out. So the only part you're cutting out here, remember, is your armhole cuff, and on this part is only your front pattern you'll be cutting this way. Remember that. So I'm just going on to cut, and this is what we have, guys. Can you see that there is no side seam on this pattern? It's just like a free top, and I'm just going to join the shoulder and do my normal finishing and hemming and all. So I'm just going to use pin to like pin down the shoulder so that I'm going to wear it. That's the video I tagged at the beginning of this tutorial. So I just used pin to hold it down so I could wear it for you guys to see what I have. So if you are making a kimono dress or top, and you want to like add extra fabric, like maybe you're working with Ankara fabric and you want to add a black fabric or a plain fabric to the front, you are going to be removing about 1 inches at that front inch, so that you are going to add the fabric back, and then you have that. So this is what I have, no side seam top, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, drop your comment, let me know what I should do better the next time I'm making